like for everybody to be inspired. Mfethu, Killer P was there, dog. You know he was there.
ngoba uma ubuka ama-artist ayerepresent umlando ayesebenzisa ama-beat akhe ngaleso sikhathi
Dude.
kwabantu abaningi
And futhi eforme ngisho ama-organization amaningi around yena because this shit was too much for yena. Yabo leyo. Even nami when I came from Cape Town, fika cha, I landed on him. Like, dish, what are you doing like age? Because ngihleli lapha etradeni. Like, what the fuck? Every weekend nje noise nje hip hop ngapha. Let me go. Lapho ngine camera lapho.
sure
Ngavela ngashona khona. Yabo. Hey man, ngiyafika la, abantu ba branded. He's so ghetto nice. Killer push plan, Killer P, MC Cool, hey, MC Brett. Hey babhaliwe, what the fuck is going on? Hey ngiyafethu. Kwala. Hey Bony. This I'm like Young Candy Boy. I'm like, yeah, Atomic Killer. Face, go bani lava face. I'm like out here with my camera, yabo. Funa ukwazi, hambe ngibuza manje. And nami that ngangena kanjalo. That's how I was welcome into the circle, yabo, yeah, community alapha, because I had something to contribute with okay. When yabo we are document, okay. Funa usazithina, okay. Yabo, and then that's how I got it, and that's how I knew everybody. Umuntu ongakutshela ukuthi how you know cycle, ukutshela ukuthi no. Mazila laphana eshoota lo mjita lona. I didn't know when he started rapping, when he started doing this art shit, when he started appearing on TV. And, no, mina ngimaze shoota nje lo mjita lona. Yeah, I was that guy. Nami ngangazi ukuthi ngizongena kanjani because this is where I want to be.
sure
Batholile abantu mina ngikwazi ukuthi ngizokwazi ukuthi ngilinke nabo lana. Cabanga ngifike emilazi mina ngazi ukuthi ifuna kube sendlini kuzoba khona igang yase robotini mhlawumbe izolona igang yase station like in my head because ngisana la mentality lana mfethu kuyaswenka station mfethu kudliwa isweg abajita khona amajita kuthiwa amancinza nje ahleze eswenkile ahleze nemali ukurelaxiwe mfethu ukusayizithini mfethu no happy nathi join mfethu chisa la yabo relax dog yabo
that's dope
relax talk, and then that's how I got to listen ngayizwa le sound ngayilandela ngahamba ngazofika esitolo ngabuza kuthiwa kunama rapper lapha etolo labafana ba rapper you don't say shona khona